Okay, I'm here with the second video for the Briggs Forward trap toilet. In this video I'm just gonna be testing how well it flushes because some people have said that it's pretty terrible on other videos, so we'll see. This is just gonna be a regular flush, nothing in it. Okay, flush 2 is just going to be a little ball of toilet paper because I was cleaning this toilet and I wiped something off the rim, put in just like, I think it was like 4 squares of toilet paper, I don't know, but it was a small little ball of toilet paper and I put it in there and it just kept swirling around until the flush actually stopped, so we'll see if it does that this time. Nope, it just went down. That's weird. This one's gonna be 5 balled up paper towels. So, see, maybe this will clog it. I don't know. Kinda hoping it does, just to see if it'll overflow. I really hope it doesn't because I'm sitting right beside a light that's plugged in and that probably wouldn't be very good for me. I'm gonna turn on that light actually. There we go. That's better. Here we go. If you notice that, like, sort of towards the end of the flush, that paper towel, one of them was still there, just, it wasn't moving anywhere. But it was a lot worse than that when I put in the toilet paper. So, next flush. This is going to be one paper towel, just flat. I'm going to see if I can get it to stick, you know. Not gonna... Kind of hard to set in there with one hand. Okay, that's better. Here we go. It kind of did a little bit that time, but you get the point. Oh, I think it's partially clogged for a second. Or maybe it just wasn't done flushing, I don't know. But yeah, it was a little bit like that, how it just stuck there for like half a second, except it did that for the whole time. The next flushes are going to be close-ups, so here we go. This is just the bubbles that you see when it's filling. It's pretty cool. Next flush. Okay, I'm hoping I don't get my phone wet doing this. That probably would be good.